Hello and welcome. I hope are you doing well. Today I am trying to explain you little bit price action. And before starting this video, please watch. If you open my videos, you need to watch all video. If you try to skip video, you did not getting my point. Okay, after watching my video, if you understand, go on price action live market or you can backtest. You see very identical things. How I how I explaining you and how I explained you and you see in chart. Okay, and other thing I this all my videos. It's not for new people or new traders. This is very deeply and uh, advanced videos because this all videos is very different. This all video I try to teach you how you read price action. If you able to read price action, you don't need any course or mentorship. You can trade without anyone. And other thing, in future I will explain you motion. Okay, because that's why so many people losing money in this market. If are you young, 100% or 95% you lose money in this market because you are emotional. You push yourself to trade every single day. And other thing, this market not for average peoples. If are you average, you don't push for yourself to trade. You need little bit more. You need to control your motion. If you're not able to control your motion, this is not. This business not for you. This I can guarantee you. Okay, let's jump on our topic today. Okay, when we see price action, okay, in higher time frame, sorry, in low time frame, market tap any higher time frame point of interest. We looking for reverse. Okay, if this is 15 time frame price action, this one we looking for reversal. Okay, what indicator, what indication or what indicate, what kind of indication you see reversal pattern? First we need to understand market tap higher time frame point of interest, and then we looking for reversal. Okay, I try to put here higher time frame price action. Okay, and then medium time frame price action M15. Okay, where we see is price coming in higher time frame point of interest. We see most of the time market do like identical things. Okay, for example, this is your point of interest in higher time frame. Okay, here we use as a liquidity. Okay, because market is bearish. Okay, market is bearish. You're looking for market tap in this region and make new lower low. Okay, market make new lower low. I hope I am making sense. When market tap in this region on M15, you look for market break of structure. Okay, here for example we have higher time frame point of interest. Okay, when we see market coming in our point of interest, and this is our point of interest, higher time frame point of interest, market or price tap in higher time frame point of interest. What kind of information we need when market, because now market tap in this higher time frame point of interest, we looking for reversal. Okay, but how we need how we understand this can reverse or this trade higher set to run this high. Okay, This happen, if I you trader, market not respecting a structure. This is behavior of price do things, is not only one time frame. Price doing so many things. Okay, when you see market tap in this region, first indication you need this price action. First you see double top, okay, market run, and this last structure low market needs to break, and market left imbalance. This is first condition on M15. Sorry for my very bad writing. Okay, M15 time frame or M13, you see this kind of price action. This low gonna run after taking liquidity. Market tapped higher time frame point of interest. Okay, because your expectation is market break, market reverse from this zone, but sometime market tap in your point of interest and break structure lower medium time frame like M15, but after tapping market do like that same and then reversal. Why sometime market tapped 2 or 3 times? Because of liquidity. Okay, when you see like that, this is your low, okay, and market do like that, it's mean this is not protected high. You not trust this one, because this last high, this one not run any liquidity. This last high not took this liquidity, last liquidity. This is this mean if your point of interest, okay, for example I draw, if you have this point of interest, market tap little bit and then broke structure to the downside, but you need to understand, okay, market tapped higher time frame point of interest, yes, a strong zone, very strong zone, but market not took liquidity or break of structure. At least if market not build equal highs like that, it's not mean always. Sometime market do like that. This okay, this gonna run and this gonna run also. This candle supposed to be upside, and then market broke structure to downside. This indicate you market ready to trade downside. This kind of price action you see. Okay, after running like that, this is not high. This not indicate me for market ready to change structure, change trend. This indicate me market took liquidity, this one, and do like that. Okay, I hope I am making sense, and this will this help you a lot, because slowly you build your trading plan, and then you trade in market. Another thing is, I in future I will explain order block or demand and supply zone. I don't want to explain right now, but order block or demand and supply not workable if you not have a strong narrative behind. Order block or demand and supply we use only for entries, for our less paper, small stop loss. Only one reason, nothing else. It's not mean or necessary. If you see order block, okay, or you see demand, you see market broke structure in low time frame M15, you see this is liquidity, market when tap in this region and you trade for buy. It's mean here market have liquidity, market took liquidity, market tapped any higher time frame point of interest, and market took this liquidity, here liquidity, and then market reacted little bit here and trade downside. Because order block is or demand zone only they use for market price bottom to move top, okay, they use only for this reason. okay when they okay when they reach particular any zone, okay, or they took liquidity. Now they decide to reverse market, okay. Here is liquidity, market take liquidity. Now they want to what? Okay, you looking for buy here, okay. Market do like that. And then market reverse. It's not mean you need to take trade on only based on only demand or supply, demand and supply or order blocks. It's mean you push yourself to how to read price. This is very easy thing you can do easily. If uh, you want to teach yourself on order block or demand and supply zones or liquidity, you're not able to making money. You're not able to make money in this one because you don't have any narrative behind. Okay, you don't know which zone or which liquidity is valid. Okay, I hope I am making sense. That's why I try to teach you price action. Okay, identical things or identical reversal like that. I am replay mode on only this F15. Okay, you see, market run this one. Now if market broke this one, in market tap in a higher time frame point of interest, if this is your higher time frame point of interest, this is valid. Then you're looking for buy. Again, what market did? Same here, broke structure to the upside. After taking, you see this one. Here you see market after reversal. You see here. Okay. This one. Okay. Sometimes you see price action like this one. Okay. You see right now. Okay. Here is low resistance liquidity. Okay. Market. You see market left this kind of information. That's why market run again in this region. Here you see market tap, boom. Here you see okay, it's means or it's how price action is mean most of the time is identical. You can understand if you put the hard work. This price action gonna run. Okay. For example, here you see market not took liquidity here. What market left? Last day I think I bought here market. I close here. Okay. I believe market you see market took this liquidity. I believed here you see what happened. Market take liquidity. I bought here. I closed my trade here. But then I looking for selling this region. Okay. And here is not my time for looking for market buy and sell. You see here's timing. This is not good time. This is like I usually not trade in this region. But this point is sell. This is all. I'm looking for sell if market tapping in, coming in my timing or my sessions. Why? Let's put up. Now we are typing in a higher time frame point of interest like H4, last or extreme. You see market do low, high, low, high, low, high. This is H1 time frame. That's why you need to switch yourself to every time frame. Okay. When we go in higher time frame, I was thinking market. You see this last zone is still this week. in unmitigated, and also is this zone. I hope I am making sense. This two zone is market left, and again when you see perspective of liquidity, here you not see any liquidity. Okay, I bought here an M15 and I looking for sell in this region for taking these two lows, okay, or at least this one, and then I bought for taking this one. This is my understanding of last day. Okay, because why I am looking for that I think I made video on this. Okay, M15 you not see a strong narrative. Okay, H4, no, I don't want to go there, I want to go okay, because this low broke this structure. Okay, this is last low. In this leg, this is last low, this one. Okay, in this leg you see any liquidity? You not have any liquidity. That's why I said market build this equal highs. Okay, and I look for sell. Market take this equal lows, market take also this equal lows and tap in this region, and then market left equals equal lows. Okay, then market left equal lows in this point, like this one. Market tap in demand zone, and here you can, if for example market do like that, here you can clearly understand market have equal highs in this region. Okay, market equal lows here, because market needs to take liquidity for a strong push, and then market have equal highs here. That's why I was looking what I was looking market. I was uh, I was selling, or I was to take a trade in this last zone and taking this two equal lows and this low, and then I am with confirmation looking for buy for taking this highs. This was my understanding. I hope I am making sense. I hope I am making sense. That's why in last video I looking for sell and then buy. And today what today I took I think two trades, and all two is run very beautifully. Right now I am buying in, and one here I looking for I am still in buy trade. After market taking attacking this liquidity, I am buying here. Okay, I bought here in this region, and here what we have this zone. Market took liquidity and break structure, and we have a also last supply zone of Delhi. H4 we have what we have. This is last high, a lower high. If market decide wants to trade downside, market needs to respect this one. Okay, and then trade, because this is our point of interest. If we have this point of interest, what kind of information we need? Okay, we need, okay, how you build your story. You have equal lows to the downside. Okay, market took this liquidity, you see, but market is respecting this structure low right now. You see, market not broke. I bought here this week after taking this low. Okay, this price action it's not clear for me. I wait market give me more information. This is good, market took liquidity. Okay, in the last, you see here is not strong zone for, sorry, here market not take liquidity. Here market took liquidity, but market not have this kind of price action. Okay, here is not very strong indication right now. Okay, I hope I am making sense, and I will explain more things and with unique ways. And thank you very much. I hope you understand a little bit, and please subscribe my channel for more video, and thank you very much. Bye.